Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you from where you can check all your invoices which you have created on TranZact. So instead of going in each and every transaction, you can very well go ahead and check the entire list of invoices which you have created. For that, you need to go in All Documents module. On your left hand side panel, you will see All Documents module. Please click on All Documents. Once you will go in all documents, here is the list of documents which you have created. So from the document segment, you need to make changes and you need to go in sales invoice. You can very well go ahead and see purchase invoice as well. Let us start with sales invoice. Click on sales invoice. So these are the sales invoice, the entire list of sales invoice which you have created. You can very well go ahead and make the changes in rows per page view. I can make it to 50, and then after all the invoices which you have created along with the amount to whom you have created OCSC number, you can see that. You can make the changes in type and see if those are saved in draft, as because here is the list of all the sent invoice. You can click on draft and see if those are in the draft. Also, you can see the status, they paid, unpaid, due soon, due later, or cancelled. So this is how you can go ahead and check all the invoices in an entire list. You can very well go ahead and just select the invoices and can click on download on your right hand side and can download them in PDF as well. At one time, only 25 invoices can be downloaded. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while checking all your invoices on TranZact. Have a good day.